Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wake up with hurt in joints, laboriousness in whole body, inflammation, digestion problem? Whenever you do walk or in stance position, your knee, shoulders, and backbone feel offended. According to public age is the main reason of this situation. However, reality is this happen because of inflammation. But amazing thing is that there is one natural ingredient which can diminish inflammations within one day. This ingredient act as natural, quick, and securely. That's why you no need lavish supplement and medication. Be with me till end of this video as I will explain in this video. What is inflammation? One natural ingredient which provide results in one day. How to use in effective way. What's the best way to take this? How this natural ingredient affect positively for your body. We shall begin now. First, discuss inflammation. Body anxiety or panic situation is called inflammation. Body twitch inflammation to safeguard you at time when your body feels sense of any danger. If this situation takes more time, then this become riskier. Reason of inflammation. Sweet and oil foods. Sleeping time disturb. Anxiety. Most times spend daily to sit only. Smog. Use already make foods. Wound and impurity. Fragile immunity. Symptoms of inflammation. Hurt in joints. Backbone area hurt. Feel tired most of time. Swelling issue. Digestion issue. Nuisances. Skin's issue. When you wake up, feel laboriousness. Consequences of ignoring symptoms of inflammation. Diabetic patient. Stress level high. Stiffness. Increase weight. Liver issue. Core issue. That's why must find a natural way to protect your body from inflammation. One natural spice. Now discuss the natural spice to solve inflammation issue in one day. Any idea what spice is this? It's turmeric. Yes, you listen right. Turmeric can solve inflammation in one day and protect your body from diseases which you can get because of high inflammation. Turmeric, also known as haldi in Asian countries, it's the greatest natural ingredient to cure inflammation issue. Turmeric benefits. Turmeric has a multi-part named curcumin, which act as to reduce inflammation issue like a remedy in natural way. The good thing is that after using turmeric in right way, your body start recovering within one day. Speedy function of turmeric. 1. Stop inflammation substance. When body feel anxiety or annoyed, body start to generate provocative substances. At that time, curcumin stop those substances immediately to reduce torment and enlargement. 2. Eliminate blood pollutant. Anxiety and regular foods make pollutant inside blood. Those pollutants turmeric eliminate from blood that help to eliminate inflammation swiftly. 3. Care injured compartments. Compartments hurt because of inflammation. Their curcumin do care these to help stop furthermore injured. 4. Digestion system better. Digestion problem makes inflammation more. Turmeric make digestion system more strong and finish swelling. 5. Immunity system improvement. Turmeric helps to make your immune system powerful, so then body can do combat with inflammation in natural way. Still enjoying this video? Then please subscribe to my channel. Right way to use turmeric. Now discuss how to use turmeric in efficient way to get better and real results. 1. Use turmeric water best way. When stomach empty, drink turmeric water. Recipe. 1 cup warm water. 1 by 2 small spoon of turmeric. Little bit black peppers vital. If you want then half spoon honey use, but it's not compulsory. Proper blend these all then slow drink. Why this best? Curcumin captivation increases 2000% after using black peppers. 2. Gold milk cure injuries, tensions, depression, and improve sleep. Recipe. 1 cup warming milk. Fresh or non-dairy milk. Half spoon turmeric. Little bit black peppers. Honey or jiggery use if want. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. A pinch of black pepper. A little honey or cane sugar if desired. Use this golden milk before 1 hour to go bed. Advantages. Make joints comfort. Body feel ease. Recuperate muscle quickly. Get quality sleep time. 3. Warming water. Add turmeric. Balm for swollen issue. Turmeric balm spread on skin. Recipe. Warming water mixture with turmeric. Where injured or hurt there, use this balm. Wait at least 15 minutes, then clean it. This beneficial for joints hurt, ankle swollen. Good for knee pain, ankle swelling, and muscle pain. 4. To use turmeric in everyday food. Use little bit turmeric into egg, soups, rice, vegetable, lentil, chickens, smoothie. If daily use little bit turmeric, then inflammation level goes down. 5. What's the best time to use it? First, use turmeric water in morning. This helps to lower bloat, swellings, also inflammation and digestive. Second best time to use in night. Gold milk. This helps to lower down discomfort, also help healing the body at the time when you sleep. Benefits. Fewer rigorousness. Feeling easy to move, body feel relax. Hurt and injury level goes down. Bloat level reduce. Strength level improve. 6. Precaution while using turmeric. Consult doctor if you have. Women during pregnancy. Bladder problems. Kidney stones patients. Blood donor. Digestive system problem. Turmeric very healthy for all, but be careful during usage. Summary. Therefore, little bit turmeric used to make gold milk, which gives your body a lot of energy and make body from inside fine too within 1 day. Natural ingredients make body heal and strong by using turmeric in right way. I hope you enjoy this video. If yes, then please subscribe my channel, like it, share with your loved ones. See you next time with another informative health topic. Till then, be strong, smile, and positive.